Okay guys, we are back and right now special host Neil is here for you in China, Shanghai, China Toy Expo 2025. So, what's your name please?
My name is Wendy. Nice
Wendy.
to meet you.
Nice to meet you. Cool. So, right now I'm here at the booth of Tianchang Prime Toys Company Limited. The company was founded in which year?
Our company was located in Anhui Province.
Anhui Province. Which year was the company opened?
Our company opened at 2009.
2009. So the company been in the market more than 15 years, guys. So it's a pretty great experience for the company. And how about the main markets? Where do you sell the products?
Our markets are mainly on the Europe, America,
Europe. That's
America
great.
and Japan.
In Japan. I also see here South America and East Asia as well.
Yes.
It's pretty cool. It's pretty cool, guys. Okay, so the annual capacity of the company exceeds more than 7 million units per year. It's pretty impressive, guys. Okay, the production facilities more than 12,000 square meters and the number of employees 360. So here we're talking about amazing plush toys. Okay, guys, so they can deliver real comfort and relax to the kids, and this is pretty cool, guys. Wendy, introduce the top products here you have.
The top one product above the pillows.
Okay, beautiful. Unicorn is here.
Unicorn. Yes.
That's right.
The special is there is LED light inside.
Wow,
and you
great.
Can see
Sensory
there
toy.
is a button and you can press it and
Okay.
it has lights.
Wow, unbelievable. It's
And
really
the
fun for
material
kids.
is very soft.
That's right. Not only soft, but also really
so you can
beautiful.
treat it as plush toy or pillow.
That's right.
Yes, functional.
And also you can learn about the colors, guys, so it's really increased the curiosity and it's pretty cool, guys. Okay, how about the MOQ for these products?
This MOQ is 500 pieces.
500
and,
pieces.
we have the ready product to ship.
Unbelievable. So they got the storage, guys, so delivery time is much less than usual. So up to 2 weeks, guys, you can get the products, or even less, depends on your country. And how about the customization, OEM, ODM? Available, right?
Yes, this is our design. So you can choose our design to make your product.
Yeah, it's choose design first, but yeah, if you meet the requirements of MOQ and even more, then you can think about the new design that you wanna try this
turn
on.
on the
Okay.
yes, turn the on and then press
Yeah,
it.
you turn it on. Okay, you got it. You teach me. Good, beautiful. You put it here, guys. So it's a big company of friends. You have fun at night, play during the day, and enjoy your life, guys. So it's pretty cool and nice.
And also welcome you guys to visit our factory.
That's right. That's pretty good.
We are
So,
buying toys like this.
yeah, nice. So guys, we're gonna play the video, give you more information and details, and of course the contact information so we can talk directly to the managers, get your sample, get your MOQ, and more details about the license certificates. So thank you guys, and stay with us for the next time. Appreciate it.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.